Dudes, dudettes, here we are. Back at you. Oh, look, we got a visitor. It's Foxy Roxy.
Hi.
And her dog, Max.
Yeah, Mr.
Maxie.
McDog.
Hey. The Buell is going to a professional mechanic to see if he can figure out what's wrong with it, why it won't shift. Because we've checked it out. We don't have the measurements and we can't find out what to do anymore. So we could probably take it apart, put it back together, but we have to fix the issue. So we're going to load it up and go to IJsselstein. Sounds like a pretty magical place, but it probably is. So if they're going to let us film inside, then we're going to do that. We'll let you know when we get there. So get ready for the trip. Here we go. And it's fucking raining too. Man, this weather sucks. Raining. Mr. M, did you get all the forks and the other stuff, the drum? Mr. B, we're getting ready for a road trip, dude.
Obligations.
So we're gonna let you know what happens.
Okay,
Yeah? All right, road trip, party on! So we got in the car. Mr. M says, don't you have to bring your car away? Like, holy shit balls! I forgot, I was supposed to get my vehicle inspection done today. Every year, here in the Netherlands, you have to get your car inspected every year, unless it's a certain age. If it's brand new, like 2 or 3 years old, then you don't have to do it until it's 3 years old. So I ran back out, got the car. It's gonna fucking cost me money too because they need a piece welded onto it by the wheel well, underneath the wheel well, not the wheel well itself. So here we are, road trip.
Yeah.
Gonna have that fucking thing checked out, see if we can get it fixed. So we're on the highways. These are the highways here in Europe. Or not in Europe, but the highways in Holland anyways.
We're exceeding the speed limit. We're naughty. Don't tell my mom we use her car.
Your mom?
Yeah, don't you tell her. Don't you tell her.
Your mom doesn't know we're using her car?
You know?
No shit. Is she at work?
Yeah, she was already gone. She left at 5-6. Hey.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks,
We're not gonna tell you. You'll probably see it in the video unless you don't watch our videos. Does she watch our videos?
Oh, my dad does, so.
Okay, but he doesn't care.
No, he doesn't care.
Your dad's a good egg.
Mr. B's having his obligational duties.
Is he working?
He's working.
Mr. B's working. We're off today.
We got a road trip.
We got a road trip. Hope those guys let us film inside. That'd be cool.
I think they will.
Yeah, we'll add a link in the bottom of the video at the end.
They have a Buell web shop, parts. They have everything for it. They're the local dealer for Holland, Belgium, Germany, I think.
Oh, okay. Twin motorcycles.
Yeah, twin motorcycles, and they have 2 wrench monkeys. One has been to America to Eric Buell, some education visit stuff, I think.
Okay. You know what I found out the other day? Yesterday, I think it was. I'm following this guy on YouTube. Shadetree Surgeon. Don't forget that name. Go check out his link. I'll add it to the bottom of the video in the subscription. This guy's cool. He's been doing it since 2014. The guy's a natural. Unbelievable the content he puts out is funny, you know, it's real life stuff. And it seems like a good old cool biker. Drives a big Triumph Rocket. Him and his girlfriend, Triumph chick, both drive Triumphs, ride Triumphs. and all he does is vlog his daily motorcycle adventures. He's got a bunch of friends going on out there. He's based in Florida.
Florida?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tampa.
I'm jealous.
Oh, hell yeah. This guy makes me want to just move over there so I can party with this guy. The guy's incredible. He just has a good old time. His motto, what he got from his grandfather, I think it was that you can do two things in life. You can enjoy it or not. You can have fun or not. Well, he chooses to have fun. Sounds a good deal to me. So that's what we try to do. I mean, we have our responsibilities. I got a family. Mr. B and Mr. M don't. Mr. B has Mr. B living the life. Mr. B has his ex, his ex, like you saw in the earlier videos.
Mrs. Satan.
Miss Satan. Dun dun dun. And
You made the same mistake twice.
I don't know if you want to call kids a mistake. I mean, they do. Kids are not a mistake, but you got to really make sure you know what you're doing when you start off on them, because they take a lot of free time. Not to mention diapers.
Oh,
damn!
Take a shit somewhere else.
So, people out there that are going to start on kids, get them potty trained as soon as you can. Save you a hell of a lot of money. It's like in Canada, where I grew up. Most of the highways there are concrete slabs, so you're riding and all you hear is ka-doom, 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 ka-doom. But they're not busy like this. This fucking country's busy like hell. Too many people in a small place. This country,
Overpopulated.
totally overpopulated. There's no room. You can't get a house. You can't do nothing. People have to wait years. I'm talking like 10, 15 years
In a house.
to rent a house.
Yeah, it's
And a certain, if you don't make enough money, then you're gonna have a lot of.
You're gonna stay
wait
with your
time.
mom and dad.
Yeah, you're gonna stay with your mom and dad.
Like me. Like,
Yeah, you're 29 years old now.
29.
29. He still lives at home.
Yeah,
Really?
But I'm never home though, so I buy a house.
No, mostly. And then it's like when he's out with at our place or at my place, or he's out at Mr. B's house. His mom will call him about 10 to 12 in the evening.
Do you have your keys?
You have your keys?
Your keys.
Holy shit balls! No, I don't have my keys. So he has to run home, get the keys, and then comes back.
I'll lay
That's
shit
pretty
loads
nice.
for you. Pay a shit.
Oh, road tax here is incredible. I got a Cadillac SRX, a 2005. So that thing weighs 2,100 kilos, which is about 4,000 pounds. Here you pay on the weight of your car and the fuel you use. So if you have a diesel or you run LPG, the price goes up like 300%. So if you were to pay like 50 euros on road tax monthly for a regular gas car, you would have to pay 150 for a diesel or a LPG. All right, that's right around the corner. Here it is.
Yeah.
Motorcycles.
Boom.
Boom.
I just put it there.
Okay, guys, let's go in and see if we're allowed to film inside. Hope they work with us a little bit here. Just explain the situation, and then we'll see. Hope they're there. We should have called first, I guess. Hey?
No, they knew we were coming.
Unfortunately, the owner, or one of the, I don't know, was he the owner? Or is he one of the owners?
Yeah, he's one of the
One of the owners. One of the owners that we spoke to, Martin, he wasn't feeling up to par at the moment, so he says, nah, I'd rather not do it today, guys. So he says, I hope you don't mind. I said, nah, no problem. When you're feeling better, we'll come down and we'll talk and maybe get an interview in there, show you what the place looks like. Gotta say, this guy is fabulous. He was so kind and so helpful. He took the block, put it on the bridge, and checked it all out. And what he saw, we took the block apart, or we took the block and put it on the. Really? And he checked it out, checked all the gears, and he says, well, the forks look a little bit worn. Okay, we're on our way home. We should be back home in around half an hour. But before we do that, we're going to go to
treat ourselves to some fatigue.
Get some food and get the liquid gasket. So, yay!